So you've purchased your first Framer template, but you've never used Framer before. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know everything you need to customize and publish your first Framer template with no code or design experience required. We'll cover the basics of Framer, including how to edit your content, update colors, imagery, links, connect your forms, and publish your Framer template. So, let's get started. Framer is a website builder that allows you to create and edit beautiful websites visually without writing a single line of code. Think of it like editing a document or presentation. You can simply click on the text, colors, buttons, and imagery to customize everything that you need. Once you're happy, Framer is going to handle all of the technical side of things and publish your site online. So, before we get started, let's quickly cover some of Framer's plans and pricing. When you first open your template, you'll automatically be on Framer's free plan, which gives you full access to edit and customize your website. You even get a free Framer domain. To publish your site on a custom domain and remove the Framer watermark, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. For most personal websites, Framer's basic plan includes everything you'll need to get started. For larger business websites, Framer offers Pro and Enterprise plans to suit. Don't worry about choosing a plan straight away. You can build your entire website first and then upgrade when you're ready to go live. Before making any changes, let's look around the Framer workspace. Within your project, on the left menu, you'll find pages. Here, you'll see every page included in your template. Many templates also include an instructions page with setup notes and helpful tips. If you're ever unsure of where to start, then have a look here. The Layers panel shows every section and element on the page. Think of it as an outline of your website. When working with a template, layers are helpful for accurately selecting elements or sometimes hiding and showing layers. The Assets panel contains reusable items such as components, text styles, link styles, and color styles. These are global assets, meaning any changes you make will automatically update across your entire website. For example, updating a color here will change the color everywhere it's used. On the right hand side is the Design panel, which appears whenever you select an element on the page. This is where you can customize your text, colors, spacing, and much more. Don't worry about learning every setting, as your template has already been carefully designed, so most of the hard work has been done for you. One important thing to know is changes made on the desktop view will automatically carry across to tablet and mobile views. However, if you make any changes while editing tablet or mobile, those changes will only apply to that specific screen. At the top of your pages, you'll find the toolbar, where you can preview your site. Within Preview, you can toggle between different devices to see what it will look like on tablet and mobile, and then simply click back when you're done. Customizing your content in Framer is very simple. Just double-click any text on the page and start typing. Most templates use text styles, which means that editing a style will automatically update every instance across your website. In this example, you can see this text has an H4 style. From here, click Edit to customize the font, weight, size, and other properties. Any changes you make will automatically apply to every element using that same style across the website. You can also view and manage all of your text styles at any time by opening the Assets panel on the left and navigating to Styles Text. Changing your website's colors is the easiest way to make your template feel unique. To update your colors, select any element and choose a new color from the Design panel by going down to Styles, Fill. You can choose any color using this color picker, or inserting the hex code, or from selecting any of the predefined color styles. Color styles are reusable colors that are set up in your template. When updating your template's colors, I recommend using the color styles in the Assets panel. This allows you to update colors consistently across the entire website, rather than just changing each element individually. Replacing placeholder images with your own photos is quick and easy. So here's how to replace images in Framer. Select any image on the page, and in the design panel, go to Fill, select Image, and hover over the thumbnail, and then select Choose Image to upload your own photos. Some images are nested within a component, but it's the same process. Just select your component and look for the image thumbnail in the design panel to replace it. Most templates include links for buttons, social media, email addresses, and more. So here's how to update links in Framer. To update a link, select any button or text and look for the link option in the design panel. Click Add Link and simply enter your link. Different link types use different formats, so Framer knows how to handle them. For example, for email links, add mail to before the email address. For phone links, use tel followed by the phone number. For external website links, use the full URL. And for internal page links, use a / followed by the page name. Components are reusable elements like buttons, navigation menus, galleries and more, and are indicated by a purple outline when selected. In most cases, components are set up with defined properties that can be updated in the design panel. And here you can adjust any defined properties like replacing images, text, and colors. If you want to make larger design changes, you can double-click to edit the component itself. Like in this example, I'm changing the text and the icon alignment to be centered, which will apply to all instances using the component. If you find yourself within the component, you can return to the home page by selecting the Home button here. If your template includes a form, then there's a few things that you'll need to configure. To configure where form submissions are sent, select the form container, and the easiest way to do this is to click within the space between the form fields. Now look for the form sections in the design panel. Next to Send To, select Email, and here you can enter the recipient email address as well as the default name, subject, and the body that you will receive. Alternatively, you can also connect to Google Sheets to capture responses within a single document. To edit individual form fields, select a field, and in the design panel under Input, you can customize the settings such as the field name, placeholder text, and whether the field is required. For multi-select fields, you can easily add and remove or update available options to match your requirements. To publish your template to the web, click Publish in the top right corner. In the Publish window, you'll see the domain your site is published to. By default, Framer generates a random subdomain name for you. If you click this URL, it's going to open your live website. To create your own free Framer subdomain, click Get Free Domain, or go to Settings, Domains. Enter your preferred name, as long as it's available, and choose one of the available Framer domain extensions. If you want to connect your own custom domain, you'll need to subscribe to a paid Framer plan. You can then purchase a domain from providers like GoDaddy. Once you've upgraded your Framer plan and purchased your domain name, you'll be able to add it here by following the easy step-by-step instructions. To access your site settings, select the drop-down in the top left and click Settings. Under General, you can update the site name, description, and relevant site images like the favicon or the thumbnail. And then once you've made all of those changes, click Publish to push your changes live. And that's it. You now know everything you need to customize and publish your Framer template without any code or design experience. So, happy building and enjoy creating your new website.